I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Nintendo Wii games on your PC. First, you'll need to download a powerful and reliable emulator like Dolphin. Make sure your computer has at least a dual-core processor and 4 GB of RAM for smooth gameplay. You'll also need your Wii game files, usually in ISO or WBFS format, ready to go for the next steps. Once you've downloaded Dolphin, extract its contents to a folder on your computer. Launch the emulator and head to the Config menu to fine-tune general settings. An important step is to tell Dolphin where your Wii game files are located. Simply browse to your game directory, and your titles should appear in the main window. Now let's set up your controls. Go to the Controllers menu and configure your gamepad, whether it's an Xbox or PlayStation controller. You'll map the virtual Wii remote and nunchuck buttons to your physical controller for an authentic experience. Once configured, simply double-click any game from your list in the main window to start your adventure. To get the best experience, you can optimize Dolphin's performance. In the graphics settings, try adjusting the internal resolution and anti-aliasing. Experiment with different backend renderers like Vulkan or OpenGL to see what works best for your PC. For a significant speed boost, ensure JIT Recompiler is enabled in the CPU settings. Enjoy your Wii games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.